If you have no idea what a machine shop even is, or how the inside of one looks, don't worry. This video will serve as an introduction to the student machine shop. And if you already have experience in the shop, it will serve as a good refresher. The Faculty of Engineering Student Machine Shop offers services to both undergraduate and graduate engineering students, and is equipped with various tools and machines to help students complete their projects and coursework. A shop technician is available to assist with using these resources and to help you with getting your project done. Located in Engineering 1019, the shop operates Monday to Friday from 9 to 5 p.m., generally on a walk-in basis. However, if you need to use the shop, it is best to consult with the lab technician ahead of time to avoid unforeseen shop closures due to maintenance, lab technician absences, or any other reasons. Some of the available shop machinery includes manual lathes, a CNC lathe, manual milling machines, a CNC mill, drill presses, a belt sander, band saw, and a coal saw. Be sure to consult with the lab technician before you use any of the equipment in the shop. Various hand tools and measuring tools are also available for use. Be sure to return them when you are finished with them. While getting your project done properly and efficiently is important, the most important aspect of working in the machine shop is safety. So be sure to always use good safety practices, always wear your personal protective equipment, and always be aware of the safety equipment in the shop. Always remember, safety first. So that it's not all foreign to you when you do enter the shop, we will finish up this video by showing you a basic layout of the shop.